You look at yourself in the mirror, and somehow you're already tired before the day even begins. Your life feels tighter every day, like the walls are slowly closing in and you don't even notice it happening. So you escape into your phone, scrolling, watching, distracting yourself until it's suddenly midnight again. Then the alarm hits, and without thinking, you get up and repeat the exact same routine all over again. Same job, same habits, same people. Nothing really changes no matter how hard you try to push forward. And deep down, there's this quiet feeling, like something about this life just doesn't make sense. Then payday comes, and for a brief moment, you feel like maybe things are finally under control again. But almost instantly, the car payment takes its cut, like it was waiting for your money before you even got it. Rent shows up next, followed by insurance, and suddenly your paycheck doesn't feel like yours anymore. Everything is already claimed. Every dollar already has a destination before it even touches your hands. Your phone, your subscriptions, your credit cards, all quietly pulling money away from you every single day. So you stop for a second and actually decide to look at the numbers instead of avoiding them. And when you finally see the total, it hits you harder than you expected it to. Most of what you earn every month disappears almost instantly, without building anything real. And what's left in your hands feels small, almost pointless compared to everything you gave away. That's the moment you realize this isn't just expensive, it's a trap you've been living inside. So naturally, you tell yourself the solution is simple. Just make more money and everything will fix itself. It sounds logical, it sounds smart, and honestly, it feels like the only way out of this situation. Then one day it actually happens. You finally get that raise you've been waiting for. And for a moment, everything feels different, lighter, easier, like you finally made it. You start thinking maybe now you can actually enjoy your life a little bit more than before. So you upgrade your apartment, just a little nicer, just a little more comfortable than before. You start spending more freely, better food, better experiences, small upgrades that feel deserved. And before you even realize what's happening, that extra money is completely gone again. It's like something invisible is consuming your income, no matter how much more you earn over time. The more you make, the more your life expands, quietly adjusting itself to take everything you gain. From the outside, it looks like success, better clothes, better lifestyle, everything looks upgraded. But inside your finances, nothing actually changed in a meaningful way. You're still ending every month the same way, broke, stressed, and wondering where it all went. And this is where it gets dangerous, because the real problem isn't just your spending habits. The real problem is deeper than that. It's how your brain is wired to respond to desire. The moment you see something you want, your brain releases a chemical that makes you feel good. And that feeling doesn't come after buying, it comes before you even make the purchase. The wanting itself feels rewarding, like you've already gained something without actually owning it. So you chase that feeling again and again, thinking the next purchase will finally satisfy you. But it never does, because the system was never designed for you to feel satisfied in the first place. And the companies behind all of this understand your behavior better than you understand yourself. Everything is designed to remove friction, to make spending feel effortless and almost automatic. One-click checkout, saved cards, instant approvals, all built to eliminate hesitation completely. Because the less you think, the more likely you are to spend without questioning the decision. And when there's no resistance, there's nothing stopping you from repeating the same cycle again. That's how the system works, quietly guiding you towards spending without you even noticing it. So if you want to break out of this, you don't need more money, you need more control. You need to slow things down and create space between the impulse and the decision. Instead of buying instantly, you wait, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. You give your mind time to calm down, letting that artificial urgency slowly disappear. And most of the time, you realize you never actually needed that thing at all. Now here's the real shift, the one change that starts to move everything in a different direction. Before you pay bills, before anything else,
You start paying yourself first every single time. Even if the amount feels small, you stay consistent and treat it like it actually matters. You remove the decision completely and let the process happen automatically, without thinking. Then you give it time and allow small actions to slowly build into something much bigger. And one day, without even realizing when it happened, your entire financial life looks different.